Hey guys, so today this is going to be a quick makeup look if you're going to work or if you're going to class, whatever it may be. This is going to be super simple, easy, and quick. So let's go ahead and dive into the video.
It's 2 tickets to a concert. It's a Daytona airbrush t-shirt. Wondering who's gonna kiss who first. You know what I'm talking about.
I'm so excited for summer. I can't wait. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you in a little bit, but I'm going to start by putting my hair back. It's gonna be a bad hair day. It's getting so warm and it's humid, so frizz. Alright, so first I'm going to start with foundation, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in soft beige. So I'm just going to actually put this on my face. It's just quick, easy, and I already washed my face, so my face is clean. Cap that. And to do really fast foundation, this is my go-to. So we're just gonna blend it all in. I've really been liking this foundation. I reviewed it in my last video. Blends out really easily. Didn't move, forgot to prime. Ugh. Okay. Whatever. Forgot to prime my face, but it's okay. It's okay. When I forget to prime my face, I'll just go ahead and take a setting spray and just do that real quick before it dries. Okay, next we're going to go in with concealer to brighten up these under eyes. Sometimes I'll just go like this, or I'll do the triangle, but I'm just gonna do this today. I really have been liking this concealer because it doesn't give a white flashback. It's a really pretty light color, and it's very smooth and it goes on easy. So just to save time, I'm going to use the brush. Okay, so once that is all blended in, I'm going to take the Coty Airspun, and I'm going to use it on a brush. I'm going to use it on this big blending brush. This is by Japanesque. I think you can get it at Ulta. I think it's at Ulta. So I'm just going to dip in, tap off, and set that powder and concealer. Now that that is all set, I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and, oh my hair, okay. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and just dip it into this and just make sure my eyelids are ready to be, or just set from the foundation that was put on. Okay, so a quick way I like to just do my eyes if I don't feel like doing eyeshadow. I will take a bronzer. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sun Bronze. And I'm going to take a tapered brush this, and I'm just going to dip into that bronzer, and you're just going to put it in your crease, and what that's going to do is it's just going to cause a little natural shadow to your eye. That way you have some warmth and color in your face. But this is just like a quick, easy makeup look, and you can even add a pop of color on the inner corner. I'll show you what I like to do if I'm just doing this for the day. Okay, so then I'm going to take that big fluffy brush again and just blend that out. Okay, so now it just created some warmth and a little bit of a shadow. So now I'm going to take me highlighter. Oh my god. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and this is the one in Mega Glow. And I'm just going to take this on a smaller brush, just a smaller brush, dip into it, and to make this makeup look pop is just go ahead and put it on the inner corner. And then what else you can do is go in with a clean brush, use the highlighter, and just go ahead and highlight that brow bone. Okay, so now moving on to mascara. I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mystic Black Mascara by L'Oreal. And I'll probably just do one coat, depending on how it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my eyebrows with the Rodial Glamobrow Precision Eyebrow Pencil. This came in my Ipsy bag and I really liked it, and it is the shade Dark Ash Brown. So when I'm just doing a natural, quick makeup look, I don't go very heavy on my eyebrows, and it just makes it more fast and easy to do since I'm not so like precise with them. So I just fill in mostly all of the spaces that need a little bit more color. Okay, so now that I am done with my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this Rimmel Natural Bronzer and just start bronzing up my face. So I'm going to take a blending brush. Just going to dip in, tap off. And I'm not going to be so precise with this because I just want to bronze up this skin. But I don't want to go too low, so I'm just kind of staying up here. Sorry, this thing like jiggles. I've really been liking this bronzer. The color really picks up well and blends really easily. So now we're going to go in with highlight. And I'm going to take... Actually, no, first we're going to go in with blush. This is the Fit Me blush in Peach. And I'm going to take a angled brush and just dip in here. And then I'm going to brush out this way. So now I'm going to go in with highlight and take a fan brush, and I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter again and dip into that. We've already highlighted the brow bone, so it's added a nice pop of color. And then I just take the rest and get my chin and my cupid's bow, my nose, and I just dust a little bit on my forehead just to give it a nice glow. And then I will go in with a lip color. This part can really either amp up a look, or if you just want to like tone it down. So you can either go with like a nude or like a really like bright pink. So I'm just going to take this Revlon Colorstay Mineral Lip Glaze in, what was it? Timeless Nude. I really liked this one the other day. I wore it and it didn't come off when I was eating. So I'm just going to apply this. I wanted to drink my coffee, but I just put my lip color on. Okay, so for the final step, I'm going to take the Milani Make It Last and just spray it all over. So that is it for this quick and easy makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.